Anderson didn't take time. He didn't watch my video either. The casualties continue. Hi, I'm Style-Wise style editor Jon Jordan. Did you by any chance watch my recent video about cutting your hair at home, the hazards that could possibly happen, and specifically about clippers? It's a pretty lengthy video, and granted, I can be long-winded, but there is a lot of ground to cover when it comes to the art of clippering and also the caution that you have to employ when using them, because we did take a look at a lot of celebrity photos of haircuts that didn't really come out as well as they thought. And I want to just talk a little bit about maintenance, because that is something that I didn't cover. And it doesn't require that much time. It's just, a little bit of maintenance, and you'll actually be able to keep your clippers for years and years and years. My sister actually told me recently that she attempted to cut my brother-in-law's hair, and it came out fine. Actually, she thinks that it came out better than his regular stylist. We won't name names though. But she told me that she used the dog clippers that she used to cut our pet poodle, Coco, while I was growing up. And that, I'm thinking the last time she would have clipped Coco would have been like maybe 1966. So that's a testament, though, to maintaining your clippers. I wouldn't use poodle clippers, but if you maintain them, you'll have them for a long time. And so whatever clipper type that you have, they all kind of require the same amount of TLC. And it's pretty simple, but just bear with me, okay? They usually come with a little tiny brush like this, okay? So you want to make sure that you get all of the teeth cleaned, all right? And there also is, not very mechanical, but I know this comes up. Oh yeah. So inside there, when you take the blade actually off, there's a place that the hair can collect, and you want to make sure that that is clean too. That's kind of nasty looking. Got to clean that. It's important to do these things, because if you don't do them, the clippers won't function well. They might snag your hair. That can be unpleasant. The casualties continue, though. So let me just take this opportunity while the camera's rolling here to single out another celebrity who, oh boy, attempted to cut his own hair. This is CNN newsman Anderson Cooper, and you can see him pointing out, actually during the news broadcast, that's pretty bad. Okay, and Anderson didn't take time. He didn't watch my video either, clearly. But you know what's worse than that? My friend Scott, he sent me this photo. Okay, take a look at Scott here. He was just attempting to trim up his part line. He has one of those really precise part lines that his barber uses clippers to define. And let's just look at this again. I mean, he just kept going and going and going because he couldn't get it straight. But, you know, the point would be to just stop while you're ahead, or stop while you're behind so that you don't go further behind. I mean, I think that, were you trying to like trim your side part, or maybe it looks like you were trying to give yourself a lobotomy? I mean, I hate to be catty, but sometimes it's just, you know, necessary. I couldn't resist. Flip with caution. Don't do what my friend Scott did, or Anderson, or Pink, or Army Hammer, or the list of people who have abused their clippers. Thank you for watching this clipper update. Leave a comment. There's a lot I can learn. Subscribe, and I hope to see you next time on Stylewise. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and you'll stay up to date every time we post a video. It's that little red button over there.